Hi students, today we are going to discuss about preparation of alcohols. We have different methods to prepare alcohols. Here I am explaining alcohol preparation from alkenes. Alcohol preparation from alkenes by acid catalyzed hydration. Let me discuss what is meant by acid catalyzed hydration. Here alkenes react with water in the presence of acid as a catalyst gives alcohols. What is the reaction? Alkenes react with water in the presence of acid catalyst gives alcohols. It is a reversible reaction. Here acid act as a catalyst. That's why acid catalyzed. We are adding water. That's why calling hydration. So hydration of alkenes takes place in the presence of acid catalyst. That's why acid catalyzed hydration. Let me take alkenes. We have alkenes two types. One is symmetrical alkene and unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkenes. Alkenes we have two types. One is symmetrical. What is symmetrical alkene? Ends of alkene same. Say these two ends are same. This is symmetrical. If ends of alkenes not same, then we are calling as unsymmetrical and symmetrical. This is a symmetrical, two ends are same. This is ends are different, that is unsymmetrical. Both will discuss how. First I am taking with unsymmetrical alkene. I am taking CH2 double bond CH2. This is a symmetrical alkene. We are calling ethene alkene. It is subjected to treat with water, hydration, and this is in the presence of H plus. Look here, hydrogen is plus, OH minus. Due to symmetry, we can break pi bond in any side. That's why this OH minus or H plus, whatever it may be, can attack at any side. So here I am taking to break the bond towards this right side. Then I am getting here minus, here plus. Immediately here we have the nucleophile. Clear? This will attack. RH plus. This will attack. This plus will attack at minus. Minus will attack at plus. Like that. So we are getting CH3, CH2, OH. Here plus. Then you are getting this OH minus will attack here. OH minus will attack here at CH2OH. This is CH2 minus and this H plus will attack here. Then we are getting ethene to ethanol. Clear? Ethene to ethanol. Like this, alkenes are converted to alcohols. It is by symmetrical. If you took unsymmetrical alkenes, here I am taking CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond or double bond, CH2, that is CH. So this is CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is we are calling propane. What we are calling propane. Now it is unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene. And in the presence of water. In the presence of water. And it is acid catalyzed. Now look here. Due to symmetry, we can break the bond to any side. But here symmetry not there. That's why we are unable to break the bond as our wish. We have to follow particular principles. That is according to Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule. So we have to follow Markovnikov rule. According to Markovnikov rule, here addition will be takes place. Addition reaction will be takes place. Look here. Here this is a plus and this is minus. This is minus. According to Markovnikov rule, negative part of the addendum. This is adding reagent. We are calling addendum. Negative part of the addendum will attack where lesser number of hydrogens are present. Lesser number of hydrogens are present. So with respect to carbon-carbon double bond, here we have lesser number of hydrogens. That OH will attack at only CH bond. H plus will attack at CH2 bond. What Markovnikov rule saying? According to Markovnikov rule, negative part of the addendum has to attach where lesser number of hydrogens are present. So finally you are getting CH3 bond CH, and here OH will attack OH, double bond going to be break, bond CH2. This hydrogen will attack here. This hydrogen will attack here. Then CH3. So here ethene to ethanol. Here propane to propanol. That is 2-propanol. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Prop 2 whole. Prop 2 whole. 2-propanol. 2-propanol. So symmetrical alkene, direct attaching. Unsymmetrical alkene, we have to follow Markovnikov rule. This is how alkenes are going to be converted into alcohol by acid catalyzed hydration, addition of water. Now, we have to go for mechanism. How it will be takes place the reaction. So we can go for according to mechanism. So here we have 3 steps. Alkene to alcohol, mechanism involves 3 steps. It is very important for competitive as well as PUC long answer 3 marks question. 3 steps here we have. Step 1. Step 1. So step 1, what happened? First, protonation of alkenes will take place to form carbocation by the attack of electrophile. What happened? Protonation of alkene to form to form carbocation by the attack of electrophile that will be happens. How it will takes place? Look here. We are using water hydration. Protonation takes place, means H plus gives H3O plus. This is now electrophile. Electrophile will be attacked. Let I will take the reaction. CH2 double bond CH2. This is alkene. Here this is electrophile attack. I am taking electrophile as H3O plus. H3O plus I am writing as my convenience purpose like this. This is the structure of H3O plus. Here we have one lone pair also, lone pair of electron. This is ethene, this is hydronium ion, act as electrophile. Now protonation will be takes place. What takes place? Protonation means addition of proton is called protonation. How it will takes place? Look here. This is O plus, means highly unstable. That's why this bond is going to be shifted to this oxygen. Immediately this will be suffering with lack of electron. This pi bond is shifted to this H plus. What happened first? This hydrogen bonded with oxygen, this is shifted to oxygen. Immediately this empty orbital. Here we have double bond. One pi bond is going to be shifted to here. Immediately you are getting here the product. What is the product here you are getting? Look here, CH. This we are shifting symmetry. Symmetry means one side hydrogen and another side remaining. This side hydrogen or whatever it may be. Here CH2. This hydrogen I am attaching here. CH3 I got. Bond CH2 plus. And this bond is going to be break here. This hydrogen attached to alkene. And this bond going to break. And here we have water. What we have? Water. By product we are getting water. H2O. See here, alkene, electrophile, that is hydronium ion. On O we have plus charge, unstable. That's why this bond we are shifting to here. Get stable, means breaking, water is eliminated. Then this hydrogen is going to attack here to alkene because it is donating the electron pi bond. So this side, any side you can attach. This is we are calling carbocation, ethyl carbocation or 1 degree carbocation. So this is protonation of alkene. Alkene added one proton, that is protonation, to form carbocation. Here carbocation form. How? By electrophile attack. What is electrophile here? Hydronium ion. So when hydronium ion electrophile attacked on alkene, it give proton, that is protonation, and finally we are getting carbocation. Step 2. In step 2 what happened? Let me discuss. This carbocation, that is primary carbocation, will be attacked by nucleophile. So nucleophilic attack of water. Who is here nucleophile? Water. You know very well, nucleophile nothing but negatively charged are neutral, which can having electron more, that is electron rich. Neutral also. So nucleophile will attack, that is nucleophilic attack of water. Water will attack on this carbocation. Like I am taking here CH3 bond CH2 carbocation. It will be attacked by water. It will be attacked by water. See here, water lone pair is there. This lone pair will donate. Lone pair will be donated. Clear? Look here. Here carbocation. This is electron rich. This nucleophile will be attacked on this carbocation. On this carbocation. Clear? Then what happened? CH3 bond CH2. CH2. My convenience purpose, here I am writing hydrogen. Here hydrogen. Bond. When oxygen donated lone pair to this carbon, bond will be made between carbon and oxygen. It is given lone pair. That's why it is getting as positive charge. Clear? Getting positive charge on oxygen. Clear? This is now protonated alcohol. What we are calling? Protonated alcohol. This is protonated alcohol. Carbocation attack. Next, step 3. Step 3. See here. Carbocation attacked by water. Unstable product you are getting here. Unstable product means nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation will be takes place. Next, final deprotonation. Deprotonation to form alcohol. To form alcohol. This is the final step. Deprotonation will be takes place. Let I am taking here. This is CH3 bond CH hydrogen oxygen hydrogen here hydrogen plus charge clear. It will be takes place in the presence of water only, giving rise to, look here what happened. Here we have two lone pairs on oxygen. Oxygen suffering with instability. That's why we have to supply electrons. Clear? What we have to do? We have to supply electrons. Look here. This hydrogen will donate electrons, or this bond will give the electrons to this oxygen. Immediately this hydrogen will be get empty orbital. This will be donate, or this hydrogen, whatever it may be. This hydrogen or this hydrogen will be shifted to, means this bond is going to be shifted to oxygen, or this bond is going to be shifted to oxygen, any hydrogen bond. Immediately this water will donate electrons to this hydrogen. Then you are getting CH3 bond CH2. Here we have H2O. This bond broken already. That's why we have OH. This is ethanol. And here we given H plus to this water. So finally H3O plus. Initially we added hydronium ion. Finally we removed hydronium ion. But alkene converted to ethanol. Alkene to alcohol. Like this. Step 1, protonation means addition of H plus. Ethyl carbocation you are getting. and this carbocation attacked by water, that is nucleophilic attack. Deprotonation, initially protonation, finally deprotonation. So we have to remove hydrogen, then finally H3O plus we are getting. Like this we can prepare alkenes to alcohol by acid catalyzed hydration method. Thank you.